the caliper is now back together. I've copper greased everything. Two things that I did specifically was this pin here that comes out and retains this one. I gave that a bloody good clean, shined it up using Autosol. Let me get a tube of that to show you. Using Autosol. Also inside where the retaining clip goes in, I cleaned up and shined inside there as well, so that these pins shouldn't get stuck again. These replacement pins, let me see if I can zoom in. Okay, because as you can see, it's got like a nut end on that, so if it does get stuck, you can actually put something on to turn it to try and free it if there's a big build-up of brake dust. So that's a nice feature that wasn't on the other ones. And I've got plenty of copper grease everywhere to try and, well, the copper grease on the back here will minimise the amount of brake squeal, but also down here where the pistons come out should prevent or limit the amount of road salt going down into there. Hopefully that's the idea, but obviously some good maintenance should sort that or prevent that from happening. The last thing I got to do is put the little split pin in, which nearly fired across the room with my gloves. So I got to put that in, and then that will be these complete. Which side's it going? Forgotten now. Oh yeah, this bit. So there's the hole. There we go. So that's that done. So I've just now got to reconnect this to the hose down by there, and then put it on. Put some brake fluid in the system, and then I'll be able to take the caliper off on the other side and do the same thing then. Copper grease, tube bob, you can get it as a spray can, as a spray as well, according to Christy Griff. I've never used spray, I've always used the squeezy grease. It's a couple of quid. Well worth it. I use it on everything. I use it on not my nuts, but the nuts and bolts on the bike as well. Especially in areas where it does get a lot of crap flung up. I had it on the nuts going into this. So nuts are nice and tight, but they didn't seize, which was good. So I'm going to get on with it.